Alright guys, this is a 1718 1718 northbound Stouffville line train coming and pulling into Agincourt GO station. This is a 12 cars train heading to Unionville, and I think the at Unionville this train will terminate heading to Union station. And right now we have an MP40PH coming and pulling into the station. We're gonna see a 12 cars a train. This is a 12 cars a train coming again, and we're gonna see an MP40PH engine. So I'm gonna pause the video once the train arrives. Looks like we have a bat horn. This MP40PH engine. So it sound like emergency horn to me. Okay, I can see the train light. That's the MP40PH engine light right down there. So we have MP40PH engine, we have MP40 engine. It looks like 602. Pause the video once the train leaves. Alright guys, train doors are now closing at Agincourt. There goes MP4602. That car 305. There they go. So I'm gonna wait for the next one. The next one will come just 10 minutes. So I'll see the next film, guys.